Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Super sorry for being so inconsistent lately, but I'm back, and today I'm teaching you how to make this microwave rotation zoom and time remap in After Effects. Before we start, let's watch the preview first.
Something's coming.
Okay, so these are my raw clips. First, let me show you how to do reverse time remapping. It's really easy, so just follow along step by step. First, select your clip. Then right-click on it, go to Time, and enable Time Remapping. Once the two keyframes appear, go to the middle of your clip and add another keyframe. Keep it exactly in the center. After that, delete the last keyframe, then copy the first keyframe and paste it at the end of the clip. Now, select all three keyframes, press F9 to easy ease them, then switch over to the graph editor. Now, carefully copy my graph exactly as you see it on the screen. Repeat the same process for all of your clips. And that's it. Your reverse time remap is now complete. All right, now let's make the microwave rotation zoom. Create a new adjustment layer, then apply the S_blur Mo curves effect. Start by creating your first keyframe. Then go to the middle of the clip and set the zoom however you like. You can copy my values if you want. Finally, copy the first keyframe and paste it at the end of the clip. Select keyframe and press F9 and then copy my graph. For rotation, set both Wrap X and Wrap Y to reflect. Rotate first keyframe value 20 and last keyframe 0. That's it. The microwave zoom in is done. Now let's create the microwave zoom out effect. On the adjustment layer, create your first keyframe with your desired zoom value. Then copy that keyframe and paste it at the end of the layer.
to